Arr, matey, it's that time of day we shall be drawing a pirate. So to start off with our pirate, what are we going to call him? Pirate Pete. Yes, this is Pirate Pete today. We're going to start off with a U shape for the head. So start at the top, loop it around, and come to the top. Super. Now we're going to get his hat going underway. So it's pretty much just a line across, and then just bring up the sides. Line across, bring up the sides. Excellent. Now we're going to do the top part. We're going to go up and down. It's a little roller coaster. So we gave him a trim here. I probably should have come in a little more, but that's okay. Now it's going to bug me. I'm just going to bring this down a little bit more. There we go. Now we're going to do his golden trim right here on his amazing hat. So pirates believed having women on board was bad luck. And sometimes women would dress up as men to be on board. Okay, we're going to do a skull inside. So it's like almost doing a full circle. And then down here, you're going to do a scalloped edge. Excellent. But there's been some famous women pirates over time. And some of them, her name is Ching Shin, Anne Bonny, and Mary Read. Congratulations, ladies. They were toughies dealing with the pirate world. But they were so cool. Okay, so now what we do, I loved giving my skull heads two different sizes. So I do a big one and I do a small one. I just think it makes it look fun. All right, so now we are going to do his bandana. So we're going to start off with this side. You're going to bring it down, go past the U, and then bring it up because we want to make it look like it's actually on his head. Okay. Then we're going to do a half circle right here. John Bartholomew Roberts, also known as Black Bart, was known to capture the largest number of ships. How many ships do you think? Can you guys guess how many? 100, 200, 300. No. Over 400 ships in 4 years. What? That's crazy. I know, that's crazy. What I like to do is I give my bandanas polka dots. You can give it stripes, you can give it stars, paisleys, or just solid. I just think polka dots are so fun. So I'm like, I'm going to draw them every chance I get. So you want to put them in here, of course. Excellent job. Okay, so I am going to do his nose. It looks like a J. So right smack dab in the middle, we're going to give it a J. Do you see that nice big J? And then on the side here, we're going to give it his mouth. So I'm making his eyes look a little beady here. He got some beady eyes. And then on top, we're going to give him his eyebrow. And you give it a little scalloped edge. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Excellent. Of course, you can't see that eye. Why is that? He's got a patch. Oh, I got a joke of the day. What did the pirate say when his wooden leg froze? Shiver me timbers. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay, patch. And then we're going to do a giant U here. There you go. Excellent job. Of course, he's gotten into some trouble, so we're going to give him some stitches. And we are going to give him his, I guess we can do his mouth first. So I'm making his mouth goes, it's going to the side. Let's go like this. Arr. So then you're going to put some teeth in. I'm going to show you guys how I made that gold, make it look gold. So I use 2 pencils to make it look that gold. I will show you when I'm done how to do that because you want to learn how to make the gold color, absolutely. So we are giving him he's got his beard, but this is part of his mustache. So we're going to come up over his mouth and then bring it back down. So on this side, you're going to go up over his mouth and then bring it back down. So now you want to erase just right here so it looks like it's connected. And then you want to give it, this is the bottom of his beard. You're gonna want that connected too. Look at that. Boom. Boom chakalaka-laka. All right, so now let's get some of his beard going on. So we're gonna do right here. We're not gonna go all the way, yeah, don't go all the way down because we're gonna be putting an ear in there. Then you're gonna make his beard however you like it. So I'm gonna make this side, not all the way down. So we're gonna put his ear in there. There we go. See, he's got his perfect beard. He looks awesome. And we're gonna put some ears on the side of this guy. So you're gonna make a half circle over here. And then I put in his cartoon ear. It's always the same. This side, same thing. We're gonna put in his half ear and his cartoon ear. I gave him an earring. You can give him 2 earrings or 1. But you know, when you think of pirates, because they've just captured all that gold, of course he's gonna wear some of his gold. So erase right in there so it looks like he's actually have it pierced in his ear. Yes. Now we want to put some hair coming out here because, you know, pirates are unruly. They don't, I bet they don't shower. Nope. They're probably stinky as can be. All right, so now we're gonna put a V right here. Bloop, bloop. Good job. And then we will put his shoulders in. So they're just going to come out like this. If you want to make him broader shoulders, I don't think I made this out far enough. Just make it out farther. So piracy began more than 2,000 years ago in ancient Greece. Sea robbers started challenging all who passed and would steal from them. Ooh, this sounds kind of vicious. All right, this is gonna come down. And then now you're gonna put his other collar here, come in, out, and then make it come down. And then you give it the trim so it's gonna match his hat. Yes, he's very fashionable pirate here. They probably don't look as fashionable, but there you go. And then I'm gonna put a big button there. All right, I put a shirt in him. So what I do is I go across, partial triangle, and then keep it going. And I do X's. And when I color, I'm gonna go put stripes in there, but I don't need to do that yet. And this is simple as can be, line down. All right, we're gonna put a hand in there. Piracy was at its peak from 1620 to 1720. And there's 3 types of pirates. I did not know that, 3. There's a privateer, a buccaneer, and a corsair. There you go, you got 3 types of pirates. All right, to the side, we are going to do, this is his hand, and then we're just gonna make 3 lumps. 1, oh, actually it's about 2, 3, 4. And on top of that, we are doing his sword. And then on the bottom, do a circle. And this is going to loop around. Excellent job. You guys can make your sword as big or as small as you want. I'm making mine really tall. And when it comes down, I'm actually gonna put a couple of like notches in it. So it looks like, man, he's been through a lot. And then down here, we are going to make his, part of his jacket, looks like a bell. And this part's just gonna come down and then you're gonna connect that. Bam, we are ready to Sharpie. Let's see, do we have anything else? Oh, famous Captain Morgan was commissioned by England to fight for Spain. And then he said, I will share the loot with England. Okay, here we go. Okay, I like to now take the Sharpie and I go around just the outside one more time. But I'm gonna let you guys do that. So just go around one more time. And then after you've gone around the second time, take your handy dandy eraser and erase any pencil lines you do not want. All right, guys. Get out your pencils. I'm going to show you guys how to make the gold. To make it look like gold, you're going to get the golden yellow, and then you're going to get the tan, okay, out of the Crayola 24. Okay, so what you do, you color that, let's say we'll pick a tooth. I'm going to pick this tooth. Color the whole thing in gold. Then you want to come in with tan, and then just go around the outside, around the tooth, and it just all of a sudden, it just makes it look tan. I mean, it makes it look golden. So you're gonna do that on all your gold pieces. So around the ear, the earring. So you're gonna come in and make this a little bit gold. And you could do the same thing with the ribbon along the hat. Color the whole thing in. Whoops. So come in here with the gold, and then just give it a couple of gold accents to make it look like it's golden. All right, I'm gonna let you guys color the rest of it, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Peace out, and that's